So hi everyone, I'm Penny Neyland. I'm the Programme Director for Swansea University Biosciences. And I'd like to talk today about how we use accreditation as a catalyst for reviewing our programmes. So at Swansea we have 6 accredited degree schemes. The 3 main subjects are biology, marine biology and zoology, and also those with an optional year in industry. So, as I'm sure is the case for most of you, we start pretty broadly at year 1 with a catalogue that is common to our 3 degree schemes, and build on that progressively through year 2 and year 3. And as biological sciences, our degree schemes are inherently rich in skills. So, looking at accreditation for our degrees, we looked at the 6 criteria, which I'm sure you're all aware of. This talk is going to focus on criterion 2, which is the demonstration of the acquisition of technical skills, which is key within a biosciences degree. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on for the next 5 minutes or so. Okay, so biosciences degrees, marine biology, zoology, and biology are inherently hands-on degrees where skills are developed. So we like our students to learn to immerse themselves in this practical environment, whether that's the laboratory or the field, and ensuring that they're being trained in technical skills appropriate to their degree scheme and also to improve their employability. And also that those skills that they develop from year 1 through to year 3 are acquired in a progressive process from introduction through the development and then application in the 3rd year. So we're going to be talking today about these technical skills, and these may be specific to the laboratory or to the field. And these skills form the foundation of the degree on which we build the knowledge. So we wanted to talk about those skills and also the evidence of competency for all students in these technical skills, as well as the knowledge. So as bioscience degree students, technical skills is what I'm going to be talking about, but of course there are specific skills that are developed within each degree, transferable skills that students can take across into their jobs, employability skills. And all of these are really important, and they're quite diverse, as you can see here, from everything in the laboratory through to out in the field or even in the sea. So when it came to accreditation, first of all, we looked at our programme learning outcomes. That was our first port of call. And we used the QAA subject benchmark statements for our subjects, for biology, marine biology, zoology. We also used the terminology within the Royal Society of Biology Accreditation Handbook, and we referred to Bloom's taxonomy. So we ensured that our programme learning outcomes, which are listed here, this allowed us to reflect on them, to identify any gaps that we may have. So once we had aligned those programme learning outcomes, we were able to then look at our individual module learning outcomes. And we have approximately 200 students and 50 or so modules across the programmes. So there were quite a lot to look at. So we set up a team of people, and each team looked at each individual criteria of accreditation. And in particular, in this talk, looking at technical and specific skill sets, we looked at those that were judged appropriate for modern graduates in our 3 bioscience degrees. So looking at each learning outcome, we ensured that assessment was mapped back to learning outcomes and skills were mapped back to learning outcomes as well. And this allowed us then to identify which skills we were actually assessing, because you have to assess all learning outcomes. And in doing this, we managed to identify 85 technical skills within our degree programmes that were actually assessed, either formatively, summatively or authentically. And this authentic assessment includes sort of real-world scenarios. So for example, an environmental impact assessment or a attendability process. So there's a sort of progressive acquisition of these skills from year 1, where we introduce the basic skills. This might be use of a pipette in the laboratory, use of a quadrat in the field, use of a simple taxonomic key. So those were introduced in year 1, and then they're developed further in year 2, which become more degree specific. And then by year 3, these are applied within sort of specialist professional skills modules. So I'm just going to quickly talk about some examples of some great places to develop these skills. So each degree scheme, biology, marine biology and zoology, has a compulsory residential field course that occurs at the beginning of year 2, where every student is taken away for a week. They stay, they provide an opportunity for the students to come together as a cohort, and when they then start year 2, just after this course, they're a really cohesive group. So this is a really useful thing for our students to do. And these skills which they're developing in year 2 and then further applied in year 3. So we have introduced a number of professional skills courses, and these have been either informed by speaking to employers, and indeed this was something we were commended by the Royal Society, was our interaction with employers to ask them what are the skills you need in a bioscience graduate. And these courses include things like our home field courses, where professional skills are developed, such as students will learn phase 1 habitat survey, national vegetation classification, preliminary ecological appraisal, river habitats survey, and so on. All the opportunity to do overseas field course, so we have a tropical marine biology field course that we do in the Caribbean, which develops lots of applied skills. We have an interdisciplinary field course, which was also commended by the Royal Society, and this takes groups of biologists, zoologists and geography students out to the Indian Himalayas, and it's a very policy-orientated module looking at environment and society, and a lot of really interesting different skills are developed there. And finally, our professional laboratory skills course, for those guys who don't really like going outside, introduces things like advanced molecular biology skills or molecular ecology skills. So there's a diversity of these optional courses, but students have to pick one or other. So they go from introduction in year 1 all the way through to professional skills application in year 3. Now I could stand here all day and talk to you about what we do in Swansea, but I'm wearing the last speaker before lunch. So I just want to leave you with this last thought of, if you have not got an accredited degree yet and you're thinking about doing it, it was a really useful exercise for us because it allowed us to reflect on what we had and to refine what we had. And indeed, we didn't actually have to do much to our programs. We just had to really make sure that we were describing well what it was that we were doing. So the team said to us, keeping things a secret. You do a lot of good things, but you're not explicitly saying that you are. So overall, it was a really positive experience for us undertaking accreditation, and it's something I would encourage everyone to strive for. So that's all I have to say. So if anyone has any questions.